Today we'll see how to take a complete manual backup of a WordPress site. In order to do that, we'll follow the following steps. We'll take file backup, database backup, XML backup, widget backup and theme options backup if it's available. Now let's go back to our site. At first we'll log into our hosting panel. We'll use the credentials from our PowerPoint file. Now we'll copy the password. Now we'll log in. Once we are in our control panel, we'll go to files and click on file manager. From file manager we'll go to public_html folder, and here we have all the files and directories. In order to find out where our files are, we'll go to the main panel and go to the domains section. From the domain section we'll click on subdomains, and from subdomains here is a list of the subdomains hosted in our hosting. Here you can see that all our files are under public_html or /banking folder. So we'll go to this folder and take backup of all the files kept here. In order to take backup of all the files, we'll select all the files and just deselect the files we don't need. And now we'll compress all the directories and files. Click zip archive and click compress files. Now all our files are compressed. We'll click close and we'll reload the page. Once our page is reloaded, we can rename the zip file according to our necessity so that we can relocate the file later, and we'll refer to the file according to our date. Now that our file backup is done, we'll move to database backup. In order to take our database backup, we need to find out the name of our database. We'll click on wp-config.php and edit the file. Here we have the name of the database. We'll just copy it, pressing Ctrl+C in our keyboard. Then we'll move to the main hosting panel and move to phpMyAdmin. We'll click Ctrl+F. Now we'll click Ctrl+F and paste the database name. As you can see, this is the database, and now we'll move to the export and select custom, and then from this section we'll select zip and then click on go. Now you will be prompted to save the file. Save it in your PC. The file will be downloaded. It will take some time. Now that our database backup is completed, we'll go back to our presentation and cross it out. Now it's time to take the XML backup. In order to do that, we'll need to log into our WordPress admin panel. Just use the credentials from here and log in. Sometimes due to browser cookie issues, it might fail. We'll try again. Now we are in our dashboard. We'll go to tools and click on export. Here we will select all content and click on download export file. Now we'll save the files. The XML file is downloaded to our PC. So our XML backup is done. Now we'll move to widget backup. In order to take widget backup, we need to install a new plugin. We'll go to the plugin section and click on add new, and we'll search for widget importer. This is the first plugin is the plugin we're looking for. We'll just install it and activate it. Once the plugin is activated, we'll move to tools section and click on widget importer and exporter. Just click on export widgets and save it in your PC. So the widget export is done. We'll cross it off from our list. Now we'll see if we have a theme options in our WordPress. We'll take backup of our theme option. Usually it's under the appearance menu or somewhere in the menu, but now the theme we are using and the theme options is right at the top left corner. We clicked on it, and now we are looking for the export options. We'll go to advanced and click on export options. And here you can see kind of GUI's text. You'll just need to copy this whole text and paste it in a text document. Just go to a start menu and click on notepad and just paste it and just save the file as text file. We are naming it theme options.txt, and now we'll save it. Now our theme options is taken care of. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial.